What's up? Welcome back. My name is Kayla. My sign name is Kayla. And today we're going to be talking about if deaf people can work, and if so, what jobs. First of all, why would they not be able to work? Not everything revolves around having to hear. So there are many jobs. It also can depend on your deafness. There's a lot of accommodations for disabilities. Love the ADA. You can put closed captions on. I know softwares for work like Teams. If you're having a meeting, you can turn on closed captions. You can have accommodation to have a live interpreter. And you can always lip read. Not all deaf people lip read, but they can also do that. Being deaf affects your hearing. It doesn't affect anything else. You can still use your hands unless you have a disability that does it. But yes, deaf people can work.